we explain a very old saying that has had a big influence on rock and roll music. The saying is Rolling Stone gather no moss. It has several meanings. One meaning is that a person who never settles down in one place will not be successful. Another is that someone who is always moving with no roots in one place avoid responsibility. The proverb was said to be first used in the 1500, but in the 1960s, the expression Rolling Stone became famous in the world of rock and roll music. It became the name of the rock group, a song, and a magazine. It burst, says all starts with a song by the American singer and guitarist Muddy Waters. He was one of the country top blues musicians until he died in 1983. His music influenced singers like Elvis Presley and Bob Dylan. In 1950, Muddy Waters recorded a song called Rolling Stone, a British rock group. It is said to have taken its name from Muddy Waters' song. The Rolling Stones performed for the first time in 1962. The group members called themselves the world's greatest rock and roll band. In 1965, Bob Dylan released his song like Rolling Stone. It is one of his best known and most influential works. It is an angry song about a woman who was wandering and successful, but now she is on her own, with no direction home, like a complete unknown, like a Rolling Stone. In 1967, a young man named Jan Wenner started a magazine he named Rolling Stone. The magazine is based on rock music and the popular culture that the music created. By 1971, Rolling Stone has become the leading rock music and counterculture publication. It is still popular today.